And hello to you from a city that's never short of style. I'm talking, of course, about the French capital, Paris. We're at the Parc des Princes. This is Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined by the former Arsenal and England defender Lee Dixon. And we should have a tremendous game of football. It's Paris Saint-Germain up against Inter.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. I'm just hoping we get a nice, quick tempo from the start of this game. Both teams do like to get forward, both positive in their approach in the game, so we should be in for some entertainment.
Introducing the Paris Saint-Germain starters. Keylor Navas starts in goal. Thomas Meunier plays with Bernat as fullbacks. Marco Verratti starts alongside Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. And up front, Kylian Mbappe plays with Mauro Icardi up front. Inter's lineup is as follows. Samir Handanovic begins in goal. Diego Godin plays with Milan Skriniar in central defence. And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership. The drama has commenced here in Paris. Here is Juan Bernat. Neymar. Decided to come in from the flank. Terrific block there. Bernat. Crossing opportunity. Taking care of business defensively here. Verratti. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Verratti. Straight down the throat of the opposition. Steered out of play, and a throw-in coming up. Here's Marquinhos. Verratti. Here's Mbappe. Beautifully weighted ball. Is it going to be? Might still be able to do a bit of damage. Oh, masterful defending to prevent what looked like a certain goal. Meunier. Cleared away. Candreva. Candreva here. Romelu Lukaku now. Lukaku. Asamoah. He has plenty of support. Went in strongly, decisively. Icardi. And Neymar. No luck for Neymar in the passing department. Well, as far as the hosts are concerned, we know they like to press high when they can and try to win possession back swiftly. Lee, do you think it'll be that approach today?
Yes, Derek, I do. It's a brave way of playing. It's a physical way of playing as well. Brave because you're committing a lot of men high up the pitch. Physical because all the players have to buy into it.
Bernat. Cross towards that far post. Punching it clear. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. Brozovic. Now Brozovic. Asamoah. Eriksson. This is Asamoah. Just looking for the right moment for that final pass. Godin. It's with Milan Skriniar. Martinez. Candreva here. Martinez. Candreva. Pure ball control. And options in the centre. And clears his lines. Candreva here. Di Maria. Here's Icardi. Di Maria. Verratti. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Well, that's the end of that for now. Icardi. And now Gay. Neymar. It's an excellent attack from PSG, but will there be an end product? And the referee has pointed to the spot. A penalty it is, and a chance for them to forge ahead. He's been admonished by the referee. He's now got to walk something of a tightrope.
Yeah, he knows exactly where he stands. Look at the referee, how he's told him off there. No yellow card, but certainly knows what the referee's thinking.
A goal it is, a confidently taken penalty.
Well, as we see it again, I can tell you his nerves will have been jangling, but he kept his nerve. Really good penalty.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. And so, back playing again, PSG with the lead. Candreva. Can they trouble the opposition this time? And the cross is very much on. So it's going to be a goal kick here. Verratti. Verratti now. Mauro Icardi here. Untidy in possession. Here is Juan Bernat. This is Neymar. Neymar. Icardi! Well, he knows he can do a lot better on the shooting front.
Well, how many times has he had that chance in training and scored? On that occasion, all over the place.
And now Gay. Given away. Now Godin. He's using his strength to good effect. Now Brozovic. Asamoah. Martinez. Eriksson. Lukaku. Excellent defending. Here's Icardi. Here is Juan Bernat. Setting off perhaps a little bit too much here. Keeping the ball moving. And now Gay. Here's Icardi. Gay. Icardi. Oh, nice ball. He continues his run. It needs an accurate cross. Well, they had a decent reading of that ball in. And so the half-time whistle has gone here at the Parc des Princes in Paris.
Integrali misura, per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma, con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Egoista, dove sei? La pagherai, miserabile! Mi avrai nemica, giuro! Io sarò implacabile! Che oltraggio! Poi, quale appallo! Poi, il mio amore tradito! Se non mi vendico, non so chi sono! Fatti vedere, egoista!
Per l'uomo. Chanel per l'uomo.
Si chiama Zucchetti la libertà di fare con l'acqua tutto ciò che ti dà.
So the first half is in the history books. Now we're ready for the second, and it's Inter to kick things off. Christian Eriksen now. Now you've got to try to make it a bit more difficult for your opponent than that. Di Maria. It's an effective run from Di Maria. Meunier. Well, far from the cross he had in mind. Goal kick it is. And given away. Romelu Lukaku now. Candreva, what can he do? Just unable to get his cross beyond the first defender. Bernat. Verratti. Neymar. Useful looking position, you've got to say. This is Neymar. Others in the vicinity. After the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next, and perhaps a goal from this free kick. Substitution it is for PSG. Neymar has a go here, and the free kick caught cleanly by the keeper. Now Brozovic. Eriksen. Romelu Lukaku now. Now let's see what they can do here. Crossing possibilities. And that is how to win the ball back from your opponent. Verratti now. Cavani. Cavani. Will he finish? It's still alive. And they'll have to throw it back in play. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Mbappe. Di Maria in the centre. Well cleared away. Half an hour remaining then. Here's Marquinhos. Thiago Silva. Gay. Verratti. Idrissa Gay. Here's Mbappe. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Mbappe! Oh, it's gone in for PSG as they extend their advantage to 2 goals.
Well, here it is again. One phrase springs to mind, tiki-taka. How good is this? The opposition can get nowhere near them. It's a great team goal.
So 2-0 now. Candreva. Possession lost, intercepted. And attempting the through ball. Neymar. Well, he knew what he was doing defensively with the concession of that throw-in. There has been plenty of limbering up from substitutes, and now both sides will make personnel switches. Verratti. Paredes. Cavani. It should be. Well, he didn't have it quite on the target, Lee.
No, it was a great opportunity. Sometimes you've got a choice, power or placement. He should have put his laces through it.
Brozovic. Lukaku. Now Brozovic. Well, it's come down to the final 20 minutes here. Strong play here. De Vrij. And here is Gagliardini. Lukaku. Moses. Good technique displayed. Gagliardini. An utterly disappointing cross. Goal kick. Mbappe. Neymar. Paredes.
Well, as we can see from the stats, PSG enjoying the bulk of possession here. If you don't control the ball in midfield, it's very difficult to have enough of the ball to create chances for your strikers, and really has been a dominant performance.
Di Maria. Well, the attack promising as it was, scuppered there. It's with Milan Skriniar. Now Brozovic. Sanchez. Eriksson. Skriniar. Now it's Alexis Sanchez. It's with Milan Skriniar. Sanchez. Now Brozovic. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Di Maria. Now Meunier. Di Maria. Meunier. A bit sloppy in possession. And here is Gagliardini. Eriksson. Gagliardini. They've regained possession. Cavani. Neymar. Now Meunier. Teamwork might be the key. Oh, surely. The goals keep going in for them. I don't think they're going to throw this away now. Absolutely omnipotent.
Well, here it is, a striker's bread and butter, simple finish, but it's the positioning that gets him the goal.
A chance to revisit the goal. Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Now Brozovic. Alexis Sanchez. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. Cleared away. Gagliardini has it. Now he must favour the cross. Going well. Smuggled away. And there it is, the final whistle.